All right, from here now we're going to work on sound effects. So once you're in iMovie, you're going to click over here on audio. And then from audio, you're going to choose sound effects. Now you're going to go through your movie and you are going to try to time up some sound effects with your movements. So as the crab is walking in here, I'm going to time it right there. And I think I want to do this one. Yep. So if you click on the sound up in the menu, you can preview it, but then you're going to click the plus sign to add it. So I'm going to add this to my cartoon, and then I'm going to play it to see if I have to adjust it. Nope, that worked pretty good. If you do want to adjust it, you're going to hold down here. You can slide that sound wherever you would like it. And then that's going to go right here. Then if you want to record your voice, you're going to come over here to the microphone. And I'm going to record this talking bubble. You don't have to record your talking bubbles. I'm just going to show you if you want to do it. So I'm going to hit the microphone. And then I'm going to hit record. It's going to count me down. Want to play catch? Sure. All right, so right here, you can review it, or you can accept it, or you can retake it. So I'm just going to go ahead and accept it. And this is what I have so far. Want to play catch? Sure. And then I'm going to find another sound to put in here when the ball is being thrown side to side. The last thing for your audio, once you do all your sound effects, is to come back out here and choose soundtracks. We're going to choose some background music. Now, iMovie has it all organized. This is pop music, and then there's some playful music. So I'm actually going to, this seems like a playful scene. So I'm going to choose this one right here. Now, notice it comes in green. I'm going to click on that sound, and I want to choose foreground. That way it turns blue, and it will balance the background noise with my other sound effects. Also, if it's blue, you could trim it if you want. Maybe I only want my music at the end, or I want the music to take up the entire show. So you can pick. Play it. Want to play catch? Sure. And then I'd have one more sound effect here. If you do need to turn your volume down for your music, you're going to hit volume. Do not go over 100, but you can turn it down a little bit if you'd like. I'm actually going to leave it right around 100. And that will be audio, is where you're doing music for soundtracks and sound effects for everything else.